So what stands out about our practice? Well, we've got such brilliant clinicians in South Africa, but I can tell you what I think is valuable to me for patients. And what is valuable to me is to be open and honest, trying to save as much tooth structure as I can. And for that, you always have to be up to date with evidence-based treatment, not something that you've just seen, but the treatment modalities that's tried and tested under the proper conditions. So I really like still being involved with the university. It gives me access to so many articles. I teach students, but I also have the opportunity to just better myself. And if there is a complicated case, there's always a case that you haven't really seen or deviates from what is usual. I do have that access, and I can really present my patient with not only a minimal invasive treatment plan, but a treatment plan that's been tried and tested.